guys, Budrin and Wunya. Yugunai Waraja in the Nura. I'm out at Rollston still, and today we're planning to head out to Mount Airlie. I've never been out there myself, but yeah, we're planning to head out to Mount Airlie today for a bit of a run. Apparently there's a beautiful lookout and that out there, so we're going to check that out. And yeah, so what happens. So it should be a good day. Hope you enjoy the video, guys, and if you do, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Drop your comments as well. If you've been up the top of there, or around that area, tell us what you think of it. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you soon. So last night everybody else turned up, had a few more guys turn up, taking the Hilux, Pajero and Navara, and we're heading out today to Mount Airlie. Going to go check out a couple of lookouts and things like that out that way. So should be a fun day out, a little bit of wheeling, and yeah, so here we go. Alrighty, so we've just pulled up at the bottom of Mount Airlie. Airing down, I've dropped to 25, Nathan's dropped to 25. Not sure what we're doing with the Hilux yet. And we've come across this little old house and that out here, little workshop and stuff. A lot of rubbish left out here, which is typical. From what I understand, some of the belongings that are out here were belongings of the owner. They've just been left behind, but then there'd also be a lot of crap that people just dump out here when they come out as well. So I'm just going to go for a quick walk through and have a look through the house. Check this place out. Pretty cool. Well, that sucks. We've just come in for Mount Airlie and the gates are all locked due to wet weather and that, so we can't get any further than what we are. So yeah, head back down the bottom and then work out where we're going from here. There's another little spot for everybody to explore, a little miner's hut, something along here. It's like, looks like a little adgie or something like that to clean the stones and whatnot. That'd be really cool to check out all this old stuff. If you're out here and you do see this stuff, do us a favour and don't destroy it. Leave it for everyone to have a look at.
Yes, you do. You do it.
So that was a little bit of fun out at Mount Early. The Hilux getting bogged. I think that's actually my first ever Hilux, if I'm not mistaken. So now we're heading back into town a little bit, and apparently we're going to head to the Turon gates. Haven't been out into the Turon before, so yeah, apparently we're going to head out there and have a bit of a play around. Bit of a shame that the gates up to Mount Early were locked, but such is life, you know, it happens. So yeah, quick change of plans and head out to Turon, have a look there. Show you when we get there. So here we are down at Turon Gates Campground. Quite busy down here this weekend. It's a long weekend, so what do you expect? A little water crossing was a bit of fun, and that hill was steep coming down, but heck of a lot of fun, that's for sure. Padge is getting a workout, so is that bloody low range today. That's great. I'm having a blast of the day. Apparently there's a mine over here, so we'll go and have a quick look at that. That was a nice little stop for lunch. Fire's all out. Threw a couple of saucepans full of water on there. She's all good. Yeah, so about to hit the tracks again. I think we're heading back out the way we came, and then we're going to go and try a different track because apparently it's still quite boggy and everything down the end of this one. So not too sure. I'm just following the lead. Manly was a bust, unfortunately, with the gates locked there. But the run out around Turon gates, and that was a really beautiful drive, so scenic. A little bit scary there at times when you've got a big drop off on the side and that, but really beautiful drive out there. And the Padge finally got a fair bit of running around in low range too. Got a bit of mud and a few water crossings. It was performed bloody beautifully, like always. But yeah, bit of a shame we couldn't get up the top of the mountain there. But anyway, such is life, eh? Alright guys, take care, peace, and as always, I'll see you on the tracks. Yano!